Hey guys, Alicia here. This is not going to be a passive income tutorial. I just want to say thank you so much. I hit 1,000 subscribers today, and I'm telling you, I cried. Literally tears of joy though. It was happy tears. You know, I know this is not a lot of subscribers for all of the bigger channels, but at some point they were right here as well. So I feel like I'm just going to keep going and doing what I'm doing and doing what I love. But I wanted to do this video and say thank you so much for supporting my channel and being a subscriber. It means so much to me, and I really appreciate your support. And, I do want to talk a second about the purpose of my channel. And I hope I don't start crying again, because I really did start this channel because I am a single mom and I have struggled from paycheck to paycheck, and I know what it's like. So I came up with the idea to teach others on how to use their creativity and their design skills. And also, I'll be getting into more and different ways to make money online here in the future. But the purpose of my channel was that I wanted to teach others that you do not have to spend any money or very little money at all to start a business online. So this is where I'm at right now. I hit 1,000 subscribers today, and I'm still not eligible for monetization though, because I am lacking in the watch hours. So if I click on the Creator Studio, I'm just going to kind of show you the analytics here a little bit and where I am. Okay, so if I click down here on channel and I click on monetization, I'm not yet eligible, and the reason why is in February of this year, YouTube came out with a rule that you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Well, I am about 1,000 watch hours away from being able to be monetized. But really, to be honest, I don't even care, because I'm going to be offering some digital products and my online course, and I feel like you're not going to make a whole lot of money off of Google AdSense anyway. So, but I'm so grateful. You have no idea how grateful that I am. So, back to this, if I sound a little tired, it's only because I was so excited for hitting that goal of 1,000 subscribers today. And I just want to let everyone know that whatever it is that you plan on doing in life, don't give up. Because I'm telling you, determination and sticking with it through thick and thin will get you so many places. There's going to be times where you are frustrated and you're ready to give up. Don't. I'm telling you, don't give up. Because if you stick with your dreams and your goals and you do something every day to work toward that goal, you will achieve it. So this is only the beginning here. I am also considering offering online consulting services one-on-one, and if you are interested in something like that, please drop a message in the comments section below. And also, Don't forget, I will be launching my online course. I'm hoping to have that completed and launched by the beginning of next year, January. So we're just a few weeks away. So comment below and let me know if you would be interested in consulting services or not. I mean, feel free to voice your opinion on that, because I'm thinking about offering online consulting services. I already did some research on that, on how to do it and programs that you would need to use online in order to do that, so that I can actually help people one-on-one. So please let me know if you're interested in that. Also, I'd really like to know where everybody's from. Where are you watching from? Comment below where you're from. I'm interested to know. Now, I can see it in the analytics, but sometimes it doesn't narrow it down, to a precise location, just because it's for your privacy, just like it's for my privacy. Even though it clearly says in my About Me section here that, I am from Shepherdsville, Kentucky, I do believe, I am from Shepherdsville, Kentucky. So, once again, the purpose of my channel was to help other people start a business without having to spend any money or very little money at all. So this video was basically to say thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.